Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. I'm Josh. In this week's video, I'd like to go over how you can set up your Wi-Fi on the Canon EOS Rebel T7. So, let's get into the video. Alright, so first thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and turn on the Rebel T7. Once the camera's on, we're going to go ahead and press the menu button. And we're going to go to the last yellow wrench at the very top. We're going to select Wi-Fi NFC and we're going to make sure it is enabled. Next, we're going to move down one spot to the Wi-Fi function. And since we're trying to connect our smartphone to the camera, we're going to go ahead and select smartphone. So now it's asking what kind of connection method we would like. So we have the choice between an easy connection or we can select the network. I'm just going to go ahead and select easy connection. Hit OK. Alright, now it's saying connect device to camera using network settings below and then start the app/software. So I just want you to pay attention to this 8-digit number here. It says encryption key, and just above that 8-digit number is the name of the Wi-Fi connection we're going to be searching for. So now you can go ahead and pull up your smartphone. We're going to go ahead and go straight to our Wi-Fi. And there it is, EOS T7-443 Canon 0A. So we're going to go ahead and select that. And as you can see, it's asking for us to enter a password. So we're going to go ahead and enter that 8-digit password. From the camera. So we got 801 17323. Now, the camera now recognizes that something is trying to connect to it, so we are going to go ahead and start the app from the phone. And it says connect to this smartphone. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Connection established. So as you can see, from this screen here, we have two options. We can either transfer images on the camera to the phone, or we can remote live view shooting. So let's just go ahead and check the images on the camera. And I'm going to go ahead and we'll transfer one. So I select it. It's my cute little dog we adopted 6 months ago. And we're going to hit import. And just like that, photo has been transferred from the camera straight to my smartphone. So we can close out of there. We can back out of there and let's go to the live view. See if we can control the camera straight from the phone. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and adjust our ISO because it's pretty dark. We can adjust our shutter speed. And tap the focus on the screen, which I think is a fantastic feature to have on the smartphone. It's a shame the Rebel T7 doesn't have a touchscreen, but it's not too bad, I guess, if you're using this. And we'll go ahead and take a picture. Picture has been taken. If you want a review, we're going to hit the little picture there. And voila. There's a sample of the photo. So sadly, you can only control your camera from your phone for pictures. If you wanted to do a video, unfortunately the Canon Camera Connect app does not support video. I will link a video in the description that'll show you how you can use your smartphone as a flip out screen for the T7. Other than that, I hope this was extremely helpful to you guys. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, possibly even subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.